Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be seen in the deep red hues of autumn leaves, or the skin of certain fruits like the pomegranate. This color is typically produced by combining red and brown. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Maroon, 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 Maroon. This color helps artists and designers create warm, rich visuals. It is often used in fashion design to convey elegance and sophistication, and in interior decor to add depth and warmth to spaces. If you enjoyed learning about maroon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.